Seal plate on this job is a 2x10. We call them green plates. They are pressure treated and are resistant to rot and mold. And so we've got those down. James has put those down. You can see all around the perimeter on the foundation. He's put those in with anchor bolts. We've got the nuts ran up on those anchor bolts to kind of secure those very tightly. This will increase the home stability and is just what you have to do per code. Typically, your seal plate is a 2x10. It's pressure treated all around the foundation of the home. You put anchor bolts in it and then place your floor trusses on top of that. Gives you a nice sturdy positioning. There you can see the anchor bolt has been fastened. The nut is up tight, and we've got the seal plate, the green seal plate, secured to the foundation. Got an 8x8 here that we're sitting on, all the way down to your concrete footer, 2-foot footer, and then it goes up to an 18-inch LVL. Goes back over to the foundation. We've got another LVL back in the back to another 8x8, another concrete foundation. This suspended area of finished space is neat. And you got your 24-inch floor trusses as well we had made for this job. And we'll insulate that, spray foam it, and one challenge with that is getting the HVAC over to it. So we'll come to that when the time comes, but we've got a good plan for that as well.
still ain't seeing mineral or royalty rights.
Yeah, what?
That's all that's left in that box. I can get more, but.
Oh, magnolias?
It's Magnolia Network now.
One more.
Go tap.
Set Fantech subfloor has a 500-day sand warranty, which means if you leave it out in the open and 500 days later you come back, the joints should not be swelled up. But not going to guarantee that, but what they do say is that they'll pay for you a sander and they'll pay that rental fee.